Hello! Today we're going to be learning how to transition from ABS to PVC pipe. ABS is a black plastic pipe often used for sewage. Sometimes plumbers use ABS inside homes. The challenge comes when you need ABS materials later on for renovations. You may think about gluing ABS and PVC together, but be careful, they have different chemical compositions. PVC has to be primed first, so only then it can accept the glue, which also known as cement. After that, you can join the two PVC pipes together. In some states, it is required for the primer to be purple, so it can be easily identified during inspections. On the other hand, ABS doesn't need any primer. It can be joined directly to each other using the right cement. So how do you connect these two pipes? Well, down in the video description, you'll find a link to an OD transition glue. Now, this glue falls into a gray area. According to the glue's instruction, you can connect ABS to PVC. So whether you can use this or not may depend on what your local inspector says. To use this, you just prime the PVC side with regular primer, apply the transition glue to the ABS, and then to the PVC, and now you join both pipes. So actually, what does the plumbing code says? It does say that when connecting plastic pipe to any other types of plastic, you must use an adapter or a transition fitting. To meet this requirement, we have a couple options. One is to glue a female end in one of the pipes, let's say the ABS, and then we can glue a male end on the different material, like the PVC here. And then you can go on from here. If you choose this route, make sure that you use fittings from the same manufacturer to make sure you have the right seal. Another option, and probably the easiest, is just to use a metal coupling. But just don't use any coupling. Make sure it's a coupling recognized by the code. Then connect it to the ABS pipe, transition right into a PVC fitting, torque it down, and finish the work from there. Keep in mind that these rules can vary by state, so it's a good idea to do your own research. I hope you're able to learn something in today's video. And now that you're done routing your drain lines, check out this next video on how to run packs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.